So we're going to start with factoring polynomials. We're just going to review one problem real quick to remember how to do GCF. So I'm going to do this problem right here. Okay, this is going to be, all you have to do is factor so this is just factor out the greatest common factor only. So that's take out the trash. That's divide everything by the same thing. What can we divide everything by? What can you divide 24 and 6 by? What? 6. Because I said 24 and 6, didn't I? Okay, what can we divide? The biggest thing we can divide the v's by? V to the 5th, right? Okay, we could do this all day long, right? Okay, so this would be, 24 divided by 6 is 4. V, 7 minus 5 is? Okay, we practiced this probably enough. But I always like to start with something new, and then you put the trash out front, right? Okay. So that's that. We're going to practice a few of those, and then we're going to practice the new style. We're going to have to factor stuff like this. Okay, so we're going to factor out binomials, and it's going to look like this. X plus 6x plus 5. Okay. So this is basically going to be the opposite of foiling. So whatever we did for our warm-up, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to break it into the two factors. All right. I forgot to change to my better math that I can talk through. Okay, and so we're going to use some kind of technique that you already know. All right, and this is what we're already going to know. This part is going to be the plus part. This part is going to be the times part. Okay. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to draw your X or your diamond, and we're going to put the times part. Does the times part go top or bottom? Times part goes top, plus part goes bottom. Now we play the game. Five and 1, right? Is that right? All right, that's all the work we've got to do. Okay. So how do you think they got x squared? X times x. So this is how you write your answer. X plus 5, x plus 1. Okay, just to show you why it's that way, this is backwards FOIL. Okay, and so if I did backwards FOIL, that would be x and 5, that would be x and 1. So x times x is x squared, 5x, 1x, 5. Add the two like terms, okay? So we're going to use this as a technique to basically break it back apart. Okay, let's do another one that's a little harder. Let's do x plus 9x, x squared plus 9x plus 20. And you can't see that, so I'm going to do this. So let's factor that up. Remember, this is times, that's plus, this is plus, that's times. Okay? So don't just put it in order. Times goes on top, plus goes on bottom. Okay. So times is 20, plus is 9. What's this going to equal? And then just switch it over. Okay. What I didn't go over, but I will go over now, all of yours are going to take on the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. They're all going to take on that form, and for now, this is always going to be 1. Okay? So that's going to make it a little easier. If we change this to 1, that's going to be the next level. Change this from like 1 to 2 or 4, it's going to take us to the next level. So all of them are going to be just like this. Just play the x game. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to pass.